Hi everyone, how are you doing? Today's lesson is lesson number 6. In writing a friendly letter, it's about how to describe your family in a friendly letter. Have a look over this example firstly. My family consists of 5 members: my father, my mother, my brother, my sister, and myself. What's wrong with this example? Yes, it's an example of listing. It's an example of listing. And plus, noted that there is also inappropriate use of the consists of. This is a formal register. The sentence begins with a noun, my family, should be replaced by person plus verb, and this will make it less formal. Like the following example. I have an older brother, Mark, and a sister called Maria, who is 2 years younger than me. Notice how important is it to give brothers and sisters names. These are supposed to be real people whom your friend will soon meet and get to know. And at the same time, I want you to note that there isn't enough space to describe each member in your family. Instead, pick one person, perhaps the one your friend will see most while he stays with you. Another example. My older brother, Mark, is mad about computers just like you. Just like you indicates that I know you well enough to know how interested you are in computers. So here I personalize the sentence. One more example. I'm sure you will get on well with my dad. He loves football almost as much as you. I'm sure means I know you well enough to judge you who you are and what you like. I also know how much you like football. The supportive phrases inform your friend that your brother and your father share the same interests as your friend. That's why you mention them. And this will make your friend keen to come and stay. The personalizing phrase again emphasizes your friendship. Okay? Then, have a look over this example. My sister Maria is 2 years younger than me and loves to sing at the top of her voice whenever I am trying to study. Don't worry, she's going to summer camp, so we won't be seeing much of her. So don't worry here, it's personalizing phrase, and it means I know you so well that I'm aware of the things that worry you. Why you tell your friend that your sister is going to summer camp, so he knows she will not be there to bother him. This suggests that your friend prefers quiet living. Is it clear? Okay. Now, be careful not to make these common mistakes. Number 1, my father is a tall man with black hair. Of course, your father is a man. This is stating obvious. Only describe a physical feature if it's unusual in some way. Another example, my father is nice. This is stating obvious. Of course, your father is nice. And if he isn't, you won't tell your friend, this would definitely discourage him from coming. Another example, my mother is an excellent cooker. What is the problem with this one? Cooker is a kitchen appliance. So instead of cooker, you should write cook. So avoid using any of these examples.